The 2026 Toyota Hilux EV BEV electric pickup truck has confidently asserted itself off-road, demonstrating outstanding abilities and surpassing the traditional diesel modification in a number of aspects. According to experts from relevant media, including Car Magazine and Electrifying, the car gives the impression of almost unstoppable force on difficult terrain. Its behavior on rough terrain is sincerely admired. This effect is achieved due to the successful combination of the instantaneous return of electric traction and a carefully developed engineering base that preserves the legendary endurance of the Hilux, complementing it with the advantages of an electric drive. The key success factor on the off-road is the dual-precise traction control. Two independent electric motors, implemented using e-axle technology on both axles, allow you to distribute power across the wheels with amazing efficiency. In the event of a slip, the onboard electronics reacts faster than any mechanical interlocks, making overcoming steep climbs, viscous mud, and rocky areas noticeably more predictable and smooth. At the same time, the power plant generates an impressive 474 Newton-meters of torque literally from the first revolutions, which eliminates the need for a classic downshift. There is enough thrust even for slow, controlled crawling through serious obstacles. An equally important role is played by the reinforced chassis design. Toyota engineers have seriously modified the spar frame, expanding and strengthening it for reliable protection of the battery located under the floor. The stabilizer bar has been increased by 20%, which in practice translates into a feeling of monolithic rigidity of the body. When driving through hard bumps, there are no vibrations, no backlashes, no annoying creaks. At the same time, the Hilux EV has retained the key parameters of geometrical cross-country ability. The ground clearance remains at 212 millimeters, and the depth of the ford reaches 700 millimeters, which confirms the high level of sealing and waterproofing of high-voltage components. Adaptive electronics deserves special attention. The multi-terrain select system has received specialized algorithms that take into account the specifics of electric motors and effectively simulate interlocks of inter-wheel differentials. Combined with a perfectly functioning mountain descent assistance system, analogous to hill descent control, which operates quietly and reliably, these solutions significantly expand the capabilities of a pickup truck on difficult terrain. However, along with the strengths of the model, there are significant limitations that must be taken into account during operation. Thus, the battery capacity of 59.2 kilowatt-hours provides a range of 160 to 240 kilometers in a mixed cycle, but in heavy off-road conditions with frequent slippage or towing, this indicator significantly decreases. It's risky to travel in such a pickup truck to remote areas without an additional generator. In addition, the performance characteristics were more modest compared to the diesel version. The load capacity has been reduced to 715 kilograms compared to 1 ton for the internal combustion engine, and the maximum weight of a towed trailer is limited to 1,600 kilograms, while the diesel Hilux is capable of pulling up to 3,500 kilograms. These nuances make the electric version less versatile for heavy professional tasks, although it is still impressively effective off-road.